Hi everyone, 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrograno here with a look at your weather now update for you on this Friday morning. The fog is back out there. We have the muggy, humid feel continuing across the area. Heat advisory remains in place. That's until 8 p.m. tonight, meaning Friday night, of course, and does not include Block Island, as we mentioned yesterday. So just another hot, humid day across our area. Temperatures, we're talking middle of the night, pre-dawn hours, and we're in the mid-70s. That's very warm out there. And when you factor in that humidity, it still feels very warm no matter where you are, with this humidity in place. So visibility numbers, they are lower in spots because of the fog that is out there. So be mindful of that. I've been checking some of our cameras, and at times the visibility can be much lower, even than what the data is showing. So here's Newport Harbor. You can see the fog out there. You can see it's really thick and dense in the distance. Narragansett, a bit of a breeze out here. Looks like some fog as well nearby. If you look close to that lamp on the street light, looks like there could be a little bit of fog nearby. Live radar, you can see the radar is nice and quiet, not tracking any kind of shower or storm threat for now. But as we go into the afternoon, there could be some pop-up showers and even a brief thunderstorm potentially later on. So let's time things out. We'll go through the forecast here. Again, hazy sunshine, hot and humid. Chance of a shower or storm later on this afternoon. You can kind of see how they blossom there. We have a weak disturbance in the atmosphere. Combine that with of course, the heat and humidity, and we could get a few of these showers and downpours popping up along that boundary, pretty much right over southern New England. So not a widespread issue, but certainly the chance is there. So just keep that in mind for the afternoon hours. For tonight, any brief shower chance ends early. Very muggy, but drier overnight. Going into Saturday, more hazy sunshine. Again, another hot and humid day. And looking at a late day shower or storm chance as well. This one potentially has a chance to be a little bit more robust. And what I mean by that is you can kind of see more of those oranges and yellows on the screen, indicating that there could be a little bit more of a heavier rainfall chance with any downpour that moves on through for Saturday. But nonetheless, it looks to be brief as well. And that chance, by the way, would be in the afternoon and evening hours for us here locally. So again, not a huge deal, not a washout by any means. I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans or things like that, but just keep a heads up in the afternoon. And then staying pretty warm and muggy into Sunday, and it'll be less humid. But when I say less humid, I want to emphasize that we'll still have dew points in the 60s, so it's still going to feel humid, just not nearly as oppressive as what we've been dealing with the past couple of days. So I just want to make that known that it's going to be a little bit better Sunday. Today's forecast looking very hot, upper 80s to near 90 for almost everybody. Down near the coastline, maybe a few degrees cooler, but still nonetheless. Block Island is the place to be at 81 degrees, by the way. So a great day to take the ferry out there tonight. Muggy, humid, again, early shower chance as well. In the 70s for tomorrow. So for Saturday, looking at those partly sunny skies, again, hot, humid once again. Late day shower and storm chances there. Temperatures in the 80s. It'll feel up to the mid-90s when you factor in the humidity on Saturday. So feels like temperatures for today, for Friday, again, getting into the upper 90s across our area. Just a very toasty day across our region. Muggy meter. Here's what I'm talking about, the dew points dropping Sunday into Monday. You can see it kind of dip down to the 60s. So see how the categories show muggy and humid? We're still going to be in that category, or those categories, but nonetheless, it's of course much better than having dew points in the 70s for us. So we'll take that. Here's your 3-day forecast. Again, shower storm chance later Friday, later Saturday, and then a little bit less humid on Sunday, but still that moisture will be in the air. That's your check of your forecast. Thank you for tuning in. We are on this morning until 9 a.m., so come tune in and check us out. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Take care.